Manufacturing excellence requires precise planning, resource control, and real-time coordination, whether you're producing for inventory or based on custom orders. Focus ERP brings structure to your shop floor with an end-to-end MRP2 platform built for efficiency. Focus ERP supports both forecast-based production, driven by planned independent requirements, and make-to-order production, where manufacturing begins only after a confirmed order. This dual capability ensures operational flexibility in diverse business models. A master production calendar can be defined to include working hours, holidays, and shifts. Machine or labor capacity can be assigned to these calendars to support realistic scheduling. Work centers such as machines or departments can be configured with production logic, including time, cost, and efficiency formulas. In the item master, products are categorized as raw materials, intermediates, or finished goods. Warehouses are defined as inventory locations. Process masters are created to list all manufacturing operations including stages like assembly, painting, or inspection. A multi-level bill of materials, BOM, can be created to represent complex assemblies with subcomponents and intermediate items. Each level includes specifications such as quantity, scrap percentage, and procurement type. A detailed routing defines each manufacturing step, linked to work centers, inputs, and outputs. Production orders can be planned from forecasts or sales orders. These orders can be segmented using various lot breakup policies, such as reorder levels, manual quantities, or maximum stock thresholds. These preferences ensure optimal batch sizing and material flow. Once orders are ready, the next step is scheduling and running the MRP process. Users can select forward scheduling, which calculates the earliest possible start date, or backward scheduling, which determines the latest start date to meet the required delivery timeline. Based on this, Focus ERP checks inventory against the BOM for each planned order. Any shortages are automatically identified, and dependent raw material requirements are generated. If stock levels are insufficient, purchase requests can be created immediately, or existing purchase documents can be updated. The system simultaneously evaluates routing availability, capacity constraints, and material lead times. Based on this comprehensive evaluation, production orders are generated with precise quantities and scheduling, aligned with available work centers. Once approved, production orders can be released. Materials can be issued using MRP vouchers, and finished goods can be recorded back into inventory using the MRP receipts from production screen. Each step is traceable for accurate tracking. Its dashboard reveals real-time insights into the master production schedule, demand analysis, demand summary, and planned receipt, helping you align production with demand, avoid shortages, and optimize resource planning. Focus ERP gives manufacturers a complete toolset for planning, executing, and optimizing production. From forecast-driven planning to real-time floor execution, every element is integrated and scalable. Request a functional demo today to see how Focus ERP can align with your production goals.